In this video, we will see le présent de l'indicatif, but more precisely, when it is used to express a fact that will come true soon. So yes, we can use le présent de l'indicatif, in fact, to express a fact that will come true soon. Let's see a few examples. Je commence mon travail dans 15 minutes. Je commence mon travail dans 15 minutes. So as you can see here, we're using the verb commencer. It's in the present tense, and then it's the first person, je commence. So in that situation, we're using the present because we're talking about something that will happen in 15 minutes. So we consider that it's totally possible to use the present and not go for the future or even the near future. You can go for the present to express this type of thing. Je commence mon travail dans 15 minutes. So remember that by using the present, you indicate that it is for sure. So this is the point of using the present because we're using it. It will happen in 15 minutes. There is no doubt about it. La semaine prochaine, nous partons en Allemagne. La semaine prochaine, nous partons en Allemagne. So the verb is partir in that case. As you can see, it's the first person of the plural. Nous partons. Same thing here. Even if it happens next week, then I want to introduce this certainty about this event. So, nous partons en Allemagne. I really have the feeling that it's for sure. Next week, we are going to Germany. La semaine prochaine, nous partons en Allemagne. Je commence mon travail dans 15 minutes. La semaine prochaine, nous partons en Allemagne. Le film se termine dans 5 minutes. Le film se termine dans 5 minutes. So same thing here, the verb is se terminer, it's the present tense and it's the third person of the singular for le film. Le film se termine dans 5 minutes. L'hiver prochain, nous allons dans les Alpes. L'hiver prochain, nous allons dans les Alpes. So here it's the verb aller in the present tense, first person of the singular, nous allons. Same thing here, even if it will happen next winter, we want to introduce the fact that it will come true and it's for sure. L'hiver prochain, nous allons dans les Alpes. Le film se termine dans 5 minutes. L'hiver prochain, nous allons dans les Alpes.